Hi everyone, I wanted to jump on here really quickly to tell you the most amazing news. Something that happened just 20 minutes ago. I'm still drying my eyes because it was such a big thing. Um, the loan application to get everything in the studio ready has been accepted. I just need to literally sign on the dotted line sometime this week when it arrives through the post, and we'll be able to draw on the funds. We'll be able to get a new front door, we'll be able to get all the walls insulated, we're going to be able to get electricity in that part of the building, and we're going to be able to get the tools that we need, and we're just going to be able to just get everything started and ready for opening at the end of August. And oh my goodness, like I say, I've only just stopped crying, but I think I'm gonna start again. This is something that it's just so dear to my heart that I just want to do this to help other people, and to help the environments that we all live in. And it really means such a, a lot to me, um, to get this little bit of funding, that's just going to start kickstart the whole thing. And I just want to thank everybody for all your support and your love. And just while I'm on here, don't forget the competition. We have a wonderful new logo to go with our new location, um, and um, and to really put out there in one small picture what it is that we are all about. So don't forget the big reveal logo competition. You'll be able to find all the rules and everything along with the questions. I think we're on question 3 today. If you've missed question 1 and 2, don't worry about it. Just scroll your way down, and you can answer those questions. Questions are really easy. You should be able to answer them. I'll give you a hint. You can actually copy and paste the question, put it into Google, and it'll come out with the answer for you. I've tried to make it as easy as I can, for this wonderful prize that we're giving for this logo reveal. And I just want to thank you all again, and just wanted to let you all be able to celebrate with me, getting the loan through, so that we can really get this venture off the ground. Yay! So thank you everybody for your support. I love you all. Bye.